What I really love is the translational work we're doing, and knowing the ability of our work can directly have impact to the public health and patient lives is essentially the driving force of my everyday activity. I'm Jie Sun. I'm a professor in the ID division in the Department of Medicine and the Carter Immunology Center. I direct a respiratory immunology lab studying pulmonary immunity and pathology in the context of non-infection and cancer. I also mentor undergraduate and graduate students, postdoc fellows, as well as junior faculties in the lab. Our body's immune system is really powerful in killing viruses, cancer cells, as well as to promote tissue repair and normal organ function. We try to better understand the respiratory immune system so we can develop tools to treat lung disease. The coming many institute will greatly facilitate our mission so we can be able to harness the power of immune system to develop better molecular and cellular therapy for devastating lung disease, including non-COVID, pulmonary fibrosis, and lung cancer.